Wastewater treatment in South Africa. Wastewater is defined as water that carries waste from households, businesses, and industries, for which disposal is more economical than using it at the time and point of its occurrence. There are various types of wastewater, such as black water, organic waste, grey water, or rainwater. With all these problems faced due to wastewater, there are different methods that are used for treatment of wastewater and sludge in an STP. This includes sedimentation, mesophilic or thermophilic and aerobic digestion, storage, or by a combination of these methods. There are different methods which were established in improving the hygienic quality of waste, industrial, and drinking water. It may be reverse osmosis, ultrafiltration and microfiltration, biological treatment, treatment of water by means of various chemicals such as ozone or chlorine, treatment with UV radiation, and more to the list. Electrochemistry, a link between physical chemistry and electronic science, has proved to be a clean, versatile, and powerful tool for the development of new advanced methods for water purification. Although these methods can be beneficial to all living organisms, in order to improve water security, they are quite expensive. However, there are stages of wastewater treatment, which may include electrochemical oxidation, which is a technique that can be carried out using primary, secondary, or tertiary methods, depending on the nature of the pollutant. Physical and chemical methods are much more preferable in treating organic pollutants in wastewater. On this diagram, stages of wastewater treatment are being illustrated, which involves primary treatment, secondary treatment, and tertiary treatment that includes chemical and biochemical oxidation and also desalination in the process. There are negative impacts affecting the ecosystem from the wastewater. Surface water is one of the most influenced type of water on the earth, and its alterations have led to expensive ecological degradations, such as a decline in water quality and availability, intense flooding, and loss of species. South Africa is situated in an arid area, and water resources are not evenly distributed based on geographic factors, and many communities struggle to access reliable and adequate quantities of potable water for diverse water requirements. There is a high increase in water demand, and there is a backdrop of decreasing fresh water availability, and this serves as proof that water in South Africa is scarce, and every amount of water that has been used needs to be saved, treated, and reused. The main challenges faced by water treatment in South Africa are as follows: lack of adequate wastewater treatment infrastructures, insufficient operational and maintenance schedules, limited technical skills and training. Amongst all these challenges, poor management capacities, poor planning, distribution of funds, and corruption in the government and the sector plays a huge role in poor performances seen in the wastewater treatment industries. The wastewater that we obtain from our daily activities and from industries must be well treated in treatment systems in order to reduce pollution. The main purpose in treating the wastewater in South Africa is to reduce pollutants in order to meet the standard requirements from the Department of Water and Sanitation. This, however, is a diagram that illustrates how wastewater from our households and industries is being taken and being purified in the stages as shown. It then becomes useful again to our households and industries as it has been cleansed and it is now safe to reuse again.